How to fix Instagram out of date on iPhone or Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, go to Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there is any update here, and if you found it, just click on it. And now let's move to the next step. Now turn off your Wi-Fi, go to settings, scroll down, now go to system and updates, and here you will find date and time. Now just you will find this one like that, and then just click on it and set automatically, and that's it. Now go back and turn on your Wi-Fi and try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.